Welcome to a presentation that explores an exciting way to bring the power of ChatGPT into your JXA, JavaScript for Automation, workflow. The script we're looking at, lovingly dubbed CodeBuddy, bridges the gap between Apple's script editor, shortcuts, and ChatGPT. With it, you can seamlessly send a snippet of your code to ChatGPT for real-time feedback and suggestions, then receive a response directly back in a new script editor document. It's a great example of how JXA's built-in capabilities can be extended to harness the power of AI-based code assistance. You'll learn not only how to build and run this script, but also why you might want to. Whether you're debugging a tricky piece of code, seeking style or efficiency tips, or just exploring new ideas, leveraging ChatGPT from within your script editor can give you a handy second set of eyes. Let's walk through how the script works and discuss the ways you can use it in your own development process. Grabbing the current selection from Script Editor. What it does, creates a reference to the Script Editor application and waits briefly before retrieving the selected text, your code snippet. Why it's useful. This means you can highlight any JXA code in the Script Editor and have it automatically picked up by the script. No copy-pasting required. Setting up the prompt. What it does, prepares the default question or prompt you'll send to ChatGPT. Why it's useful. This sets the stage for the type of feedback you'll receive. You can adjust the prompt to focus on errors, suggestions, or even style tips. Displaying a dialog to edit the prompt. What it does, shows a pop-up dialog containing your selected code snippet and a place to edit the prompt if you want to customize the question you're asking ChatGPT. Why it's useful. Sometimes you'll want to tailor your question specifically to your situation. This lets you tweak the prompt without going back into the script. Constructing the query let query equals answer.snippet. What it does, combines the user's edited prompt with the code snippet. Why it's useful. This is the text that will be sent to ChatGPT, so it's critical that it includes both your question and the code. Running a shortcut to access ChatGPT. What it does, uses the Shortcuts Events API to run the CodeBuddy shortcut, passing along the combined prompt and code snippet. The shortcut then connects to ChatGPT and returns its answer. Why it's useful. By leveraging shortcuts, you can handle authentication and advanced actions to connect with ChatGPT behind the scenes without cluttering your JXA script. The ChatGPT app itself is not scriptable, but the actions available for sending information to ChatGPT via script are found in shortcuts, at least for now. Displaying ChatGPT's response in a new document. What it does, creates a new script editor document and populates it with the response from ChatGPT. Why it's useful. Instantly see ChatGPT's suggestions, notes, or warnings in a fresh document where you can read, edit, or copy them into your original script. Script editor documents can be saved as text without compiling by selecting Text in the Save dialog. The app will complain that it won't compile, but the resulting file can be reopened in Script Editor or any other text editor. Error handling. What it does, catches any errors that happen along the way and logs them to the console. Why it's useful. If something goes wrong, maybe ChatGPT is unavailable or the user cancelled the dialog, you'll at least see what caused the script to fail. How you can use this. 1. Debugging. If your script is throwing an error or behaving unexpectedly, highlight the problematic part in Script Editor, run the CodeBuddy snippet, and ask ChatGPT what might be going wrong. 2. Optimization. Maybe you want a more efficient approach to a task. Prompt ChatGPT for suggestions on how to streamline or refactor your JXA code. 3. Learning. If you're new to JXA, you can ask ChatGPT for explanations of certain functions or syntax right in the script editor, with immediate feedback on your own code. 4. Exploration. Use ChatGPT to propose alternative methods or best practices, so you can experiment with different approaches. This CodeBuddy script showcases a simple yet powerful pattern, combining JXA's ability to control applications and display dialogues with Shortcuts' connection to ChatGPT. In practice, you'll find it opens up a whole new way to learn, debug, and refine your scripts without ever leaving the comfortable confines of Script Editor.